I think I shared a little bit of this, is where the supply has gone up in housing, and how since interest rates have jumped mid last year, well, I mean, pretty much all through last year, but we really started to feel it was then. And then so now we're seeing the uptick in supply. How does that compare with months of supply? That the chart didn't really give us that. So, typically we like to see 6 months of supply in housing to be at somewhat equilibrium, but that's only one piece of the puzzle.
Right.
I mean, when was the last time we saw 6 months? At least in Florida.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Years.
decades.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe back in
2014, 2015, probably. I mean, when you were kind of coming out of that crisis, and we were just starting to see prices kind of back on the rise. That'd be the only time in
the
my
bottom was
recollection.
12, right?
Yep.
11, 12. So inventory was very high then. I don't know what the numbers are.
Well, it's been creeping down ever since, only to be exacerbated by COVID.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I mean, that was kind of the kicker where, and I would argue the data we were putting out during COVID was not even legitimate months of inventory, because we had hours of market time for most houses at that point. Right. And so to say, we got 2 months of supply, it's like, well, so many people would buy that can't, because you only look at supply relative to absorption. You don't look at it, because you don't ever have a true read on demand. You don't actually know when one house sells, it was on the market for 30 days or 30 minutes, and you had 13 people trying to buy it. Does that really mean we have a 1-for-1 absorption rate?
It was not a natural marketplace.
No.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, after 2020 into 2021, that was not a natural marketplace either.
Right.